Hey YouTube, this is a video on repairing my vintage Payson casters. I have 4 of these casters I'm going to be using on my workbench, and one of them had a lot of slop in it, and I'll show you what I mean. The mounting plate here in the shaft is really loose. This one endured a lot of stress over the years. So in order to take up that slack, I've come up with a pretty simple solution. And what it is I did nothing more than took a washer. I don't know the exact size. I created a jig over here with a Forstner bit where I dropped my washer inside and then cut it in half with the cutoff wheel, with the zip wheel. And then that created a shim that I could put on the back side of the plate. It's already recessed here, so basically I can't do 2 things at once and hold this video camera, but basically it's going to go underneath that once it's pushed up, and these will fit right underneath it, and then I'll go ahead and TIG weld these guys together without welding any of the other pieces, just the washer. So it'll be right underneath there, and it'll still be flush on top. Here's some of the other pieces that came out. These are some amazingly cool, old school, it's like spiral screw nails. And that will probably help identify its age. But this was a bushing that goes in there, and then like a spring clip, a really heavy duty old spring clip that goes onto the shaft. So I will get back with you after I complete the weld up, and we'll finish up then.